to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a pantry video, hence why I'm sitting in my pantry. But I just did a cute photo right here, so I was like, let me make this my intro. This is my official pantry organization video. I'm going to show you different items that I purchased from whether it was Target, my top spots is Marshalls, Ross, Home Goods, Target, and H&M Home be lit too. So if you're interested in, really Ryan? So if you're interested in seeing how I'm going to transfer my pantry, keep watching. Alright, so I'm just going to remove this stuff because I just put it in here for the intro. Step one is you need to clear out your whole pantry because it's easier to start fresh and get everything very clean and ready to put back. And then that also eliminates clutter because a lot of stuff in your pantry you probably don't even need. So once you clear it all out and then bring it back in nice and neatly and decorated, you probably won't have, you know, too much excess and unnecessary things in your pantry. So I already did that. Now we're going to be adding stuff back into it. So before we do that, I do want to share like some little things that I like to put in the pantry. So number one is these little canisters. I guess these are called penny jars because it's like the penny candy jars. Now it was really hard finding these with a black lid. So what I did is I just bought the ones that had the silver lids and I spray painted them with matte black spray paint. So, and I have these in various sizes. This is the smallest one. Then I have a bigger one. Another container is this container, and I think there's cream of wheat in here, or is it grits? I can't remember. That's the other thing. I need to get a label maker, which I'm gonna get that off of Amazon. I will link the one that I'm ordering, but I haven't added them yet. But like I have cream of wheat, I have grits, crackers, and spaghetti pasta. So basically whatever I can get rid of the box and recycle it, I put the actual product in containers because it just looks nicer. Like if you have random packaging and labels in your pantry, it's gonna look a hot mess. So I feel like if you add them into these types of containers, it just looks more neat and of course aesthetically pleasing. I found these little guys. I could pour stuff in here, but really it's just for decor purposes. But again, this was not black. I spray painted this black. It was white, I think. But these are little like milk jars or whatever. These jars from Target. I tried to find them for you, but you know how Target has that little $3 to $5 section? They're not there anymore, but I found a lot of these on Poshmark. I feel like people buy all of their stock, like Target stuff, and then they just resell it on Poshmark. So if you want these, you can get them on Poshmark. What I noticed is like in this pantry, it's a lot of shelving space. So I like to cut it in half. So these little gadgets where you can slip it onto the shelf, it gives you like another layer of shelving space. So yes, these are very, very helpful. Also, these types of baskets, which I found this at Target, you can put, you know, potatoes in here. You can put any type of vegetable that you want to store in your pantry in here. I actually use this to put my paper towels in. But you can store cereal boxes in here if you wanted to. Or what else? You could put bread in here. This is another little rack. Brian's waking up, so I'm trying to be quiet. This is another option that you can split shelving space and have more space. I mean, this is really big. That was at Target, very inexpensive. And I like to put overflow in here, like stuff that I can't really take out of the packaging, like potato chips, cereal that we haven't actually opened, So I like to put this at the bottom with overflow, but it's covered in the basket. So the boxes aren't just sitting out. Does that make sense? This is another type of basket that I like to use in the pantry as well. And I usually put the kids' little mini potato chips in here, whatever snacks that they want, just so it's nice and organized. You'll see when I put the chips lined up in here, it just looks so organized. And the last thing I want to share is these containers. This is what we put our cereal in. That way, again, there's not so much labeling or packaging in the pantry. Everything is nice and aesthetically pleasing and organized. So whatever cereal the girls are eating that week, we put in here. Again, the overflow of the actual boxes go in the baskets. But yeah, these are OXO brand. Yeah. And I got these from Bath and Body Works. Not Bed Bath and Beyond. I always get that word wrong, or that store wrong. I'll share with you guys my inspo from my pantry. I always go on Pinterest to get ideas. But yeah, so this is the pantry that I got inspo from, and I just did it my own way. But anyway, let's put everything back in. And this is my favorite cereal, but I don't want to open it because I don't want it to get stale. Sky's favorite cereal is Cinnamon Toast Crunch, hence why we have 2 boxes of it. More overflow. Did you guys see this? I saw this on the shade room. It said that these were coming out, and then the brownie one. I couldn't find the brownie one. We tried it, and it was really, really good. It tastes like Apple Jacks. All right, so let's see. Now I'm gonna put the waters in here. Which I have these. I just like, I mean, first of all, Smart Water is good, but I like the packaging. These also come in handy for your pantry. I usually use these in the refrigerator, but for like, I have some oatmeal here. I'm going to stack the oatmeal nice and neat. So you can stack the oatmeal or whatever you want nice and neatly. Alright you guys, so we are all done in the pantry. I hope you guys got some ideas how to organize yours as far as stores, what containers you can use. Also, also using Pinterest as inspo. There's so many options out there to help you organize your house. But yeah, so hopefully this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. I will link as much as I can in the description box. And yeah, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching and continuing to be patient with my content rollout. You guys know I'm all over the place, I can't help it. But anyway,